Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of the application of emulated on the application of Hacoo app. You will click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this application of Hacoo app. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, the bell icon, subscribe.